Welcome in other vlog. Good morning, my lovely people. I want to give you a message today. Yeah, that every journey it starts with a mission and ends on a new journey. So I want to tell you today, me Asad and we are going on an agriculture mission. Let's go. Now I get on this tractor trolley. Murid, Jalal, Asad, Anis, and we all are going. You know what is this? This is animal poop. So we're gonna it is urea, natural urea. We're gonna give this urea to our lands. After that, we will collect some woods. Then we will be back to home. La 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 la. Okay, so you can watch the normal traffic on the road. First travel. It is a wow. Hey, yeah. You can see the traffic and all things. It's a lovely journey. Now we're gonna get what we're gonna get, bro.
Tire hawa.
Okay, we're gonna get air into our tires. Yeah. So we're sitting up, and there is a person who's gonna fill air into the tires. After that, we're gonna move to next. It's a school. क्या था? And I show you nearby shops. So it's a motorbike showroom. We can buy a new bike here. Wow. Hey. It's a bus. Bro, we are doing vlog. We are doing vlog. So I'm with 42 years. Yeah. So there we go. And it's a lovely journey. You can see people are working hard. I will show you some examples everywhere. It's a petrol pump. Aye. Anyways, I want to tell you, we are going on Multan Road. Where are we going, bro?
I am going to 591 Chak.
591 Chak number. Yes. When we was playing in 581 Chak number. Today we are going in 591 Chak number. Where I live in 571. Wow. So and now we are reaching at 584. This side is 584. This side is 572. Wow, la.
It's a cotton mill and dhaga.
It's a textile mill. Where it is? You can see it's very huge, big. I will show you. Now we're gonna go on a petrol pump to get diesel into. Yeah, we got into a petrol pump. Yeah, there we go. We are getting petrol. No, we are getting diesel into our tractor. Let's see. And how much diesel I will show you. It is still going. And it's gonna be 26 or something, 27 or something, 28 or something. Probably 29 diesel. Yeah. It is 28.78 liters diesel. We just put it. So fuel is done. Now I'm gonna get back on rig on this trolley. I was sitting on this thing, but they are sitting on this. I was sitting on that, but they are sitting on this. Something happened. They buy more. They change their decision. They buy more 2,000. Now it is full. 10,000. Oh. Wow. It is full now, and now we're gonna go to next. Before they buy 8,000, now 2,000 more. So it was 28 and 7. It is 35 liters diesel. We just purchased. I'm gonna get it back, and then we're gonna go. Now I'm back on tractor.
Now I am touring.
Yeah. We started again the journey.
I am bugging.
Bro, who is playing songs? Hey, he's playing a song in his phone. It's a fruit shop. And now we get
This is
out of.
the snow mode, okay?
Yeah, this place is called Sanawa More. So we reach at Sanawa More, but we are still going, and we have to go for. कितना सफर रह गया
15 kilometer.
Yeah, 15 kilo, just 15 kilometer is remaining. Yeah, just 15 kilometer is remaining. Hey, there's a lot of, this place is for workers. Like we have some tax. Look, the tractor trolleys, other. Anyways, I wanna tell you, they stalls, other things. This place is a business place, work place, because there's some mills, there's a lot of workers, they are working in that mills. It's a shop, and my friend Murid, he is recording vlog, but I know he is not gonna post it. This person is recording a vlog. He is not gonna post it, but bless him. He just want to record some good memories for himself. It's a hotel, little bit. There's some little shops, and I'm gonna show you a mill. Alright, it's a textile mills. This side also, and there's it. Yeah, also textile mill. So I told you guys, it is a business place. Like there's a lot of workers who's working in these mills. And it's not one. There's a 5-6 mills. So this one is first mill. You can see. It's very big mill. Yeah. It is Mahmood Textile Mills. Yeah. Para khelte se hath ila. Okay. It is Mahmood. This side is, I don't know, Makbul. That is Makbul. And this one, it is Ahmad Hassan. Ahmad Hassan. Ahmad Hassan. Ahmad Hassan. This one is Ahmad Hassan textile mill. And this is also Ahmad Hassan textile mills. So that are very big mills.
Dog is sleeping over.
It's also the part of Ahmad Hassan mill. Yeah, here there are some quarters, flat people stay here. The workers of the both side, this side and this side, it is just made for the workers who works in this building. Oh my.
Sleeping out.
Yeah, there's a dog sleeping. Yeah, so they will go. It's a government school now. There we go. It's a little expensive. I just showed you that there's a lot of mills people are working, and it's a business place, and we are still going. We have to move more 11 kilometers or 12. I don't know how long, but we have some traffic behind us. You know, there's some people, there's a car, 2 bikes, and little bit traffic. It's a lot. And I tell you, there's a ground. It's a cricket ground. Yeah, we have cricket. There is a car. It's trying to cross us. You know. Finally, bless it. He's trying. He was trying to overtake, and finally he done. So there we go. Now no population, and just to watch people and other stuff.
All member waiting for you. I am seeing, and you are viewers seeing Lanju Nair. Lanju.
Yeah. It's a petrol pump.
Only
Both आते लाए, वही आते लाए.
10 minutes later. Okay. Mango, no, sorry. Orange bar.
Orange garden.
Hey.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyways, we are not going very fast. We are going slow. Because you know, even the tractor has not a speed. Like it is strong, but we cannot run it very fast. It is the highest speed we can attain. And just watch at this bike. Yo. This bike has no silencer, I think so. Silencer can't tha. Oi. This bike is without silencer. Wow, amazing. Imagine if you don't have a silencer on your car. How it's gonna sound. Wow. It's a orange garden on the other side. I'll show you. And there is another person behind it. He's going down. He's trying to overtake. Let's see if he can. But it's not easy to take an overtake. It's travel with Rizwan, bro. I do vlogs in English language. Travel with Rizwan. Pakistani travel with Rizwan. Pakistani travel with Rizwan. Pakistani travel with Rizwan. Yeah. He was asking what's my name, my YouTube channel. I just told him. Yeah, it's a donkey. Democrat village. Oh, that person has no silencer on his bike. Wow. You can imagine, guys, if you don't have a silencer on your car. So it sounds very hilarious, you know. Look.
Oh no, it's a Bajra beach.
Asad is singing very good. What do you think? नशे आते जले पैसे बुगैन वरियारी बच गए. It's not true.
Very fast running bike.
Oye, Asdi, twinkle little star की. ऊंचा पाट ऊंचा. He just know twinkle little star. How I wonder what you are. After that it's English ended. But don't worry, guys. I know the lyrics. We're gonna sing together. Twinkle. How I wonder. Up above the. Like a diamond. Twinkle. How I wonder. Yeah, we're done now. Today, the lake is empty. Oh, what happened? He fell down. What? Oh, my bro. Be careful.
Kindly get gas advance for.
Guys, now we're gonna look at this. Anyways,
Go potty.
we're gonna I show you. It's a lake, but it is empty. Last time it is the same lake whenever I come here last time, but on that time we have water in it. But today it's empty. You can see upside. It's a bridge. Yeah.
And Awazis are two sound and
Triple sound.
my speaking
Yeah.
are two sound.
Yeah.
My speaking 3 sound.
So you can see it's empty today. No water in it. Yoo-hoo. There we go. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Yeah, just say, yeah, it's amazing here. Guys, let me see if Jalal is safe because he fell from the trolley and he's saying he's safe. But I don't think so. We will see if he get a wound, if he hurts himself, you know. Let's see. Oh, very little. But he is okay. That's good.
I am okay.
Now we are filling water, drinking water in this can. After that, we're gonna move next. Oh, there's a photo shoot. Hey, yo. There's some good scenes. You can see there's a goat. They're just coming here to drink water. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna move to next. I'm gonna get on the tractor trolley again, as you know. So let's see what's gonna happen then. So there we go. Now we are going to move to next. There's some more ships. I'm asking Murid if someone have camels. He said yeah. I said can I get a ride on it? He said you can climb by your choice, but you will fall down by the choice of camels. So it's dangerous.
This is a village culture, okay? This is a village culture.
Yeah, it's village
Village is a
culture.
very beautiful, and open area, open house, and family is a very happy, okay?
और वो क्या है?
Environment.
Very beautiful.
Environment and enjoy, full enjoy. Hey, my best guy now.
That's how my friend is explaining. They are saying open environment. Wow. Dada लगेगा बात. He's doing some exercise.
Walking. होता है मैं अपनी जमीन है इंशाल्लाह इधर ਵਿੱਚ स्ट्रॉबेरी बीजना अपनी
They're gonna grow their crops in these lands.
ਵਿੱਚ स्ट्रॉबेरी बीज देवनी गालना शालना बचाना वाला शापर बिचाना पर गोदा स्ट्रॉबेरी बीजना पे रखा
Bro, it is not ready for strawberry. What do you mean? He's saying he's gonna grow strawberries here.
देखो बड़ी થઈ गई
It's cotton, you know, guys. Cotton crops, you know, on this side. Today they are going on.
बीज का मसला
You know, this.
बात मैं काम करना यार मैं को बैटरी चला
Look at this, guys. They have some panels and they can grow They have some.
यार इस तरह ही पहनियो
Look at this. It's a solar panel board working. They are watching
Very, very
here.
fast running and
You can see. He's gonna take a shortcut.
shortcut.
He's going to take a shortcut. ओए रस्ता आहे ना गोमती म्हणजे
तो दवासी
you can just check guys.
सही रहता है
कितनी देर लगवानी था एडिट करने को
3-4 घंटे. Just look at this guys. You can imagine.
ओ मीठा था
There we go. We're still going. Wow.
Bro, oh, make sure you are a new item. 1 minute.
What's he gonna do?
Kortama.
Hey, he's just picked up a Kortuma. Hey, come up.
This is my brother.
And I told you, the person who took the short tray. Ah, wow! Victory! For long to us. And now look, he's back now. Yeah. Oh my God. We are still going between the crops and other things. It's lovely. Just look. This side it's hiking, it is down side. But the road is equal. Someone is watching the crops on the other side. You can see. Wow. Yeah, they're trying to get ready their land.
Very hard work.
Struggling. They are struggling very hard. You want to say this?
This is a laborer. Very hard work.
We are also going to do a hard work. Like the vlog, making a new vlog, it's not easy. It's very hard work. And they cannot make vlog, so they're gonna do a real hard work. Yeah. उठा वाले तो रह जाने हाय 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 हाय. Now we reach where we have to go finally. Guys, they are throwing it into fields, Asad and Murid. So that's what they're gonna do. Look, they have this thing and they're gonna you can see he is father of Murid and so there we go. I told you it's a animal fuel for them. It's a urea, so they are just giving urea to their land. And I tell you, it's orange tree, so orange card, and you know what I mean. It is good for crops, so they're gonna do it as much they can. It's 240 Messi tractor. Yeah. Jalal. Everyone, guys, I tell you, they are working. I am with them. I'm just recording cause I'm a cameraman. But it's good. It's good. Yeah. Anyways, you can see they are working. I'm gonna go to sit in shadow, and when they end, they will start new work. I will show you that one. And you know, Anis and Bilal, they are sitting also under a tree, doing some good conversation with each other. I'm gonna be the part of this company. I'm gonna start the conversation with them. Hi, bro.
Yeah, bro, yeah, I am fine, you fine.
Hello. Guys, now they are putting the woods on the trolley. You can see Bilal, Kamal, Anis, Asad, Murid. You can see it's lovely view, and they have to put the all woods into this. They have to shift the all woods this side, that side on this trolley, and it's gonna be amazing. So you can see,
Bro!
I told you,
Hey, Nisha!
Murid is just look, they are arranging. He is arranging the woods in a, yeah, look, Bilal.
Hello, brother.
Yes, brother. No, brother, I'm not gonna pick the woods cause I am already picking the camera. That's why I was already working hard with them when my phone was on charging. You know, guys, I was working. I filled the half trolley just by myself. They are was sitting and I was working hard there. Now they are working. Yeah. Look. And I'm gonna. Kamal is sitting on. No, sit there. Just I show you what he is doing. Yeah, bro, do it.
Body the barabar in jagah the. Hey,
Yo! Actually, we are pressing them. So by our feet, they are putting it up, and you can see we are pressing them and jumping on it. Look, guys, we are jumping on it and pressing. As we was working hard, now we just sitting to take some rest. And you know, I am the person who work more harder than all of them, and now I am sitting. As I sit, they all sit. That's not fair, bro. I was working also hard with you. We just cover this area. We have to cover that one, and just watch how much we're gonna shift on that. Yeah. So guys, you can see they covered that area. They are still working. This area is remaining, and that one after that we will go.
Ridwan. 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 Ridwan नीचे कार इधर इधर
बेटे
पकड़ छड्या
सही तरह करी मुझे चस नहीं है यार एक यानी नहीं सही तरह नाचता ही मेरा चस नाच झुमर मार सही झुमर Vladi Jubber did you the Vishadite. Anyways, guys, we loaded. It is more than 50%, you know, and there's a lot of woods remaining. I don't know how they're gonna fix it, but you can see there's a lot of woods loaded on this trolley. This little boy name is Kamal. Kamal, did you you don't want to come on camera, okay? Anyways, that's okay.
Start try.
Guys, we done our 50% work. You can see this path we just cleared, and the other land is remaining, the woods on the other side. This side we done, and you can see the condition of trolley as well. Now we're gonna take rest, going to eat something. After that we will be back, and we're gonna put that woods into this trolley, and now we're going to home. Let's go, my team. Chalo yaar, aa jaao. He don't want to show his face on camera.
सारे लकड़ी लाड़ी के वेला दियो सुना या जेड़ा पैन त्या ट्रैक्टर को चंगा भला अड़ेगा जेड़ा टिब्बे दे थोई में कटसों करते.
He's saying when we will load the trolley, cause we're gonna load a lot of woods on it. You just watch that how much it is difficult to drive it, and you know I was sitting, I was driving very slow, but it is not easy. Like we will grip it with some rope, other things, but you know it's not easy. But we love to take risks. Yes, bro. Yeah, I have that.
Not that.
I have, bro. I have. There we go. Now we're gonna.
बंद कर निकलो. Who is this?
What is this, bro?
बाजरी वाला सिटा.
Oh, it's a sita. Sita means sita. I don't know what we say in English. Sita means this thing. Okay, right? Someone have it. Oye, pakka hoya hosi, oye. We think so. It is ripe sita.
ओए भुन्या है बड़ी गाल सुनो.
मैं थोड़ी आके.
पुलादा खा.
दादा. ए खराब है बगलों में. चासे.
एक बार चा. उसको जुल सुना टिब्बे था. आपड़ा चाहिए जुल सुन उठाई भवन के पास.
We have clean water in that. Good water for drinking. Now we're gonna eat food, everyone together. After that we will start our work back. You know, we done more than 50% work is done, but little bit remaining. So more than 50% work is done. Breathe. Are you tired? थका हुआ है?
I am going a tractor and start and runway and
Yeah, okay, okay.
luckily call.
We're gonna drive the tractor and park here so we can shift this all woods on that tractor. There's a lot, you know. Now we just collect some bushes. After that we're gonna cook this sita on it, bajra, and then we will eat it. So let's see how it's gonna work. चल भाई ला तीली ये मेरे वाला ही पार्टी.
ना मरे मंदा काट दे.
Let's see.
Let's go. Let's go now. नहीं कुक.
Yeah. I'm gonna show you how we gonna cook this thing.
बनांडे तू बनांडे मरे.
ओए गाला ना कटो.
यहाँ तेरे नाना गाँव.
Guys, it's amazing, you know.
नहीं अगर सडन में जुर्माना भरे सही ना मैं आपने साड़ का बिगा बेस्टी वेलकम ब्रो बद्दी है आती अभी वेरी नाइस कुकर हाँ ये कुकर सही है पैरा वाला जी पैरा वाला
ए को साफ करो बुरे नाल टोले दे.
यार हस्दी समझा कर यार 2 मिनट पे तरह मंडो.
Now we are cleaning it, so we're gonna eat it. We just cooked it, so it's a little process. One is ready. It's a little bit hot.
Bobo!
Yes, bro.
Yeah, bro, I am chilling.
Yeah, what you doing?
I am chilling.
You want to take it? So you can see we can eat it like it is cooked now, ripe. But Asadi is still eating his own.
Cool. My sita is a cool.
Yeah.
And again heat.
After taking rest, eating lunch, doing some fun and culture dance, we're gonna start the work again. and it's a little bit remaining. After that we will heading to our homes. This is very hard working boy, you can see. He do hard works. Look at this trolley. We load it, but we need to load it more. You can see, guys, how they are loading the woods on this trolley. Are you tired? थका हुआ नहीं?
No.
No, it is not. Are you tired? थका हुआ नहीं?
No.
He is still energetic. He can't throw words on trolley. Anis is better than him. Anis is better than him because Anis is more taller than him. There we go. And you know he has a mobile and he is playing song and doing work. Everything is going.
Very hard work.
Wait, it's patti nahi paiya. Asad is faster than Anis, Jalal and Bilal. He is more faster than them. But the actual fact is they all are working together. Murid, Jalal, Bilal, they have this tractor trolley. They are owner of this tractor trolley, this land, everything they have. Bless them. And they treated me very good. It's first time when I come with them to see their village. So it's very good. They treated me very good. Bless them. Thanks to them. You can see sun is there. It's gonna be there. So there's a little bit distance to set the sun. Yeah. No, west, bro. He's trying to say that sun is setting in west. Sun is gonna set and it is in west direction now. Alright guys, hey, throw it. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, he's not ready. Murid is not ready. Okay, now 1, 2, 3. There we go. There we go. He's a shy boy. He don't want to show his face.
The children is not show the face.
Yeah.
Camera gumami.
Jalal, I appreciate you. Your English is going good. You know, like you're learning English every day, bro. That's good, bro.
I am happy, Banami.
Anis, make this bundle fast, bro. You know, we are already late.
No, bro, I am late now.
You have a lot of time, yeah?
Your side is empty. My side is full.
Okay. He don't want to show his face. I don't know why. He's a very shy. But it's okay. It's okay if he don't want to show his face. Today is good day. And you know, it's very peaceful here. Like, no traffic sounds, other things. And everyone is working like amazing. Even that it's more peaceful where I live, and it's very peaceful than the city life. क्या थी मैं आगे करना है लो है Hello, baby. Hey. 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 Hey.
Shivani they drive the tractor. Oh. Hello, baby. I am very happy.
Yeah, very happy, nice drive. You know, bro. Thank you, Jalal. So, I just move it forward. Yeah, and I want to tell you why I'm driving so slow, cause I'm not a professional. I am driving first time. I never drive tractor before, so that's why I'm driving slow. But Maurice said he gonna teach me how to drive tractor, and it is not easy if you have a loaded trolley on your back side of tractor. So today it's like very heavy driving in this desert type area. Like sometimes the wheels of tractors, the tires of tractors get jammed into sand, and I will show you. Yeah, big up. I am here for 5 hours maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm here for 5 hours. That's a lot of time, you know. As I was sitting waiting for until they load the trolley, there is a person with his goats. There's a lot of goats. He have, you can see there's a lot, and they are just here. So you know, like I don't know how we say in English when people go with their goats. He is doing that thing that then his goat can eat some things. Like, you know, I want to tell you what is this wood. It is wood. These are cotton crops. Okay, so it is wood of cotton. That's why. Hello bhaijan, एक मिनट आमिंग गोदा. Let me take his interview if he don't mind. I'm gonna take his interview. I'm gonna tell something. Like I will ask how much he have this year and before. He is going. You don't wanna do any conversation. It's okay. But I love it. That's why I told you. हाँ वालेकुम कैसे हैं भाई ठीक है सर क्या नाम है थोड़ा His name is Muhammad Yusuf चोखे डंगर हैं
डंगर देखें
यानी बकरियां वगैरह कित चोखे हैं पहाड़ों
बकरियां हैं कोई 13-14
बकरियां इस टोटल कितना माल है हुन जड़ा छेरी वदे
हूं तो हो सी 50-60
so he's saying it is 56. He is not sure how much goats he have, but okay, let me ask him one more question. पिछले साल कितना माल है तेरे को
पिछले
हाँ यो भेड़ा ते बकरियां
पिछले साल तक
इंदे आधा ही याद करो ही घाट है
आधा समय.
all right, so he's saying that the past year 1 year ago he have 30, and in just 1 year he increased, like he had 30 and now he have 60. Bless him. And you know, it's just hard work. Every day is not easy. Farmer life it's difficult, you know, like he wake up early, sleep late at night, all the time look after their animals, their crops, and they don't care, like they don't have other things in their life, they just surviving very good life. All right, so he just one reason he's saying he don't like the environment of city, a lot of sounds, traffic, etc. Even that they don't have electricity here, they are using the solar energy, they are converting solar energy to electric energy, but they still have smile on their faces and other things they have. And it's not like he's living here. कितना अर्सा थी कि तो सही थरां दे पे यानी वट के खानदान they are living here for years and years, a lot of years, like he was born here and now कितनी उम्र है तुम्हारी को
गरीबान हो से 33 साल का
33 years old. He was born here and now it is 33 years. He is still at this place. So you can imagine, guys, if you are still at one country, one city, one at same house for 33 years. And Bhatijan,
ये बकरी जी
the two childs are his brothers and nephews. What another name?
ना फिजान है
His name is Fizan.
साजे
Cute boys. School नहीं में
स्कूल बंद
they have a school here, so they are also getting education, but in all time they don't have school, so I don't know. तुसा गया हुआ school पढ़े हुए कोई ना? He didn't get any education cause on that time there was no school, but now it is latest time, we have technology, internet, etc, so that's why they are getting education and it is good thing about it. So bless him. Shukriya bahut bahut Lala ji, thank you so much. Bless him, he gave me a best interview. I was thinking maybe he is not gonna give me, but he was just giving attraction to his goats. That's why when he did, he came to me and he gave me interview. Bless him. बल्ले बनाइए Now I'm gonna show you a beautiful sunset. The sun is about to set. It's evening and we are still working. A little bit work is remaining. You can see Jalal, he is working with me as well, and he is also have woods.
Good boy.
Yeah, he is very good.
Good boy.
Yeah, thank you so much, bro. So that's how it's amazing, and I don't know how long I have to make it, but I hope so. We're gonna end it soon. Just imagine the height of this trolley. It's very long, very height. Just listen to it. They have a whistle in their neck, every animal, not every, but some animals, they have whistles, and it is the sign of that some people have their animals, so they all have same whistles, and it's got it in it. Now the trolley is loaded and we're gonna go back to our home. It's a long time, it took a long time. You can see. And then the sun is set already, it's gonna be dark in a little bit now. Murido. We are going back to our home. And now I'm on my light. You can see there's a lot of noise of tractor. Murid is driving and it is little bit dark now. That's why I on my mobile light and we're heading to our homes now. Let's go. Come now. So it was a hard work, like we was loading it and it's now dark and now we're gonna go back to home. And there we go. Now we are going back to home. Anyways, guys, Like, you can imagine the wild journey at night between the trees, and we are going so fast on this tractor. Anyways, Murid is tired because he didn't get any rest.
I am full tired.
Asad is also tired. Guys, you don't know what's the feelings. Oh my God! How you feeling?
I am very scary. Happy.
Scary का मतलब डरावना होता है मादर.
Happy is scary.
It's very dangerous.
That is so scary.
Tractor trolley is very, very, very dangerous.
Yeah.
Load है हमें.
Oh my God.
नाच के बुलाते
ओ मर गया यार मर गया.
So guys, trees. Hey, what to lie? Actually, trees are. We are getting accident with the trees. Shocks. Yeah. Hey, what hand koi bhai? Oh. There are more thule as well. I want to see. I want to record. And I want to see.
शक्ल लेगा अपनी शक्ल आपने चेक कर.
Yeah.
ए टूला
You can imagine, guys.
वो कुछ ऐसा ज़मीन को ना ये टाइम तकरीबन मैक्सिमम
We are,
3 फुट ऊंचे है.
you know, we are 20 feet upside from the earth
Yeah.
on this loading trolley. And I know what I'm feeling. Oh my God. What the? I can't show you. Oh. Tidak. Udah tidak ku.
लाइट बंद करे तो वैसे.
Pelada tu tak beta. Pelada tu tak beta. Tidak ku bawa do. Pelada tu tak tidak beta. Pelada tu tak beta. Eh, tidak. साढ़े को बात
आ गई.
टूला तो नहीं टूले आवे तो मैं कुछ सुना है Kalinduro guys when trees comes it hurts very hard bye okay
चलो.
ऐसा को ना ले आज छोड़ दो.
oh wow it is the best I am the driver now there is the driver down and I am the upper driver wow what the hell yes you can guys
This one is scary.
Today I'm very scared. Oh my God. It was not easy. Guys, you can imagine how much it is up heighted. And if I fell from this, no chance I can save my life. No way. I can't. So, but thank God. Look. He's saying you have to edit blah blah bro. I'm just waiting the reset my home. Oh wow. Hill Khalil.
Ridwan, you jumping.
No, it's not jump. It's my heartbeat. You know. चाचा चंगे रात है आप. It's another track.
I am come to
Now we are on good road, so no worries. It was amazing. Look at the bike. Something is coming on front of us as well. A car है केड़ी बला है? Waka waka. Hey. Waka. Hey, come which मार साड़े तू. Hey. It's another tractor. It's another trolley in front of us and full of a lot of people.
Do.
It's someone's wedding.
बरसात दा कल्ला ना
बरसात दा मौसम है बरसात दा कल्ला ना वजरात दा
यार को सुनाओ साडे रे
वार साडे यार तेरे वार
पक्की पक्की
यारी लइए पक्की पक्की यारी लइए साडे रे नाल साडे रे वार साडे यार तेरे वार साडे रे वाल साडे यार तेरे वार साडा संग आखिरी सरदार बढ़िया याद पागल चाचा रसी पूछे क्या बढ़िया याद बढ़िया याद असत यारा दे यार हो असत यारा दे यार ठगी कर देना ठगी कर देना ए गुरु वे देना सारे असत यारा दे यार असत यारा दे यार guys, this is the males area. इधर क्या थी?
Magazine join चाणक्य की तरह में
Why we're okay? It's a break jump. Wait, stop. It's I tell you, it's Ahmedhassan Mills. Now, we are eating in a city zone, like the area where it's population. Oh, look at the lights and everything, guys. Yo, it's a male, guys. Wow, look at
Wait, the football line में होए क्यों? सवेरे ते दाखला किन्ने बाबा?
कलो यार मैंने
Yo,
अरे याते आई डाला नीली बत्ती वाला
I डाला लकड़ी वाला. Anyways, guys, we are going back to our home, and it was a wild journey, beautiful. And you know one thing, like there's a lot of males around. Yes.
दलीला काट चोटी का कलीगा.
कितना बैठे
पकड़ गया ना
It's a more textile males. And you see,
मेरा गाना गाओ
कितने खड़ाए ओ डोले ना दिल कितने खड़ाए ओ डोले ना दिल कितने खड़ाए ओ रखवाजे इनो दवाया ना दे तो लगाया मन लवाए बोले ना दिल कितने खड़ाए ओ डोले ना के लाइदा बड़े डोलना जबल खुदाईदा मेला गलवाए बोले आ दिल किथे खड़ा है बड़े आती बड़े एक बार उसको जो we are close to Man Road. I want to tell you we are close to Man Road. It's 10 hours we are out of our house. 10 hours. Okay, we gonna sing a song. Bro, why you not singing? No. He's a shy boy. Hey, shy. Say me hi. Tempo boy. This is Man Road.
Oh no.
Look at the traffic.
Big traffic. Oh. baby. Come.
Hello, baby.
It's a petrol pump.
तेरे खाने वाले दे देता
बिगड़े वाल जल्ले जल्ले
दे देता बिगड़े बाल चले
It's amazing. You know.
ओके वन एंड डाउन
Finally, guys, we reached back to home, and now I'm gonna end this vlog. It was amazing. I hope you like it. So, ठीक है, अल्लाह हाफिज, बिलाल भाई, असद भाई.